I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the headset and PC so pairing is reliable. Power on the A50X and hold the pairing button until LEDs flash. This forces Bluetooth/proprietary pairing mode. Once done, plug the USB-C dongle into a USB 3.0 port or connect the base station via USB and open the Astro Command Center app. Make sure to follow any driver install prompts in Windows. Restart the computer if asked, so the system recognizes the device, and the software can complete setup. Now configure audio routing and device settings so sound goes where you expect. In Windows sound settings, set the A50X as the default playback and recording device for both communications and multimedia. Next, in Astro Command Center, check for firmware updates and apply them. Firmware fixes connectivity and audio bugs. Make sure to choose USB or wireless mode depending on connection, and disable other Bluetooth audio devices to prevent interference. Once done, tweak EQ, chat/game mix. Finish by validating the setup and knowing one solid troubleshooting step. You should play a short audio clip or game to confirm game and chat channels are routed correctly, then adjust Windows and app volumes. If the PC does not detect the A50X, reset the headset by holding power and pairing buttons for about 10 to 15 seconds and repair. If you experience static or dropouts, move the dongle closer, try a different USB port, and update your PC's Bluetooth or USB drivers to resolve interference or driver issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.